Hello, good afternoon. I'm in Budapest, in the Budapest University of Economics and Technology. As you can see, there's a lot of people here around. I don't tend to do videos, but this is a very special occasion. After the AI Action Summit in Paris early this week, at the moment in Budapest, we are having a General Assembly of an Horizon Europe project called Enfield. And as I've been sharing over the last week, on Friday, I will be sharing a workshop, a hybrid workshop called TrustworthyAI. And in this workshop, we are going to be unpacking some of the policy challenges of generative AI and particularly also urban AI. I would like to be grateful for PME, particularly Dr. Gesanemet, and also I would like to announce that in this workshop we are going to have two invited speakers. From Warsaw, Professor Anna Bisbisi from the Warsaw School of Economics, and also from Barcelona, Professor Esteve Almiral. He will also join us. So stay tuned. I will be sharing some of the content on the website. You can also register in the link that I will be sharing. And also to another additional comments, and a special issue has been already launched, so call for papers is ongoing in the Emerald Journal Transforming Government, and a preprint will be shared, sharing the main lines of the workshop on Friday, so you can provide feedback. Last but not least, on tomorrow, on Thursday, a day before, I will share the Teams link for those that wanted to take part in all the discussion. This is for now. Greetings from Budapest. Eskerrik asko.